Hello artist! Today I'm going to create an illustration or a drawing that visually explains something. And what I'm going to be explaining visually is a value. Values are kind of abstract concepts that really express things that we deeply care about. So getting started, I picked a value that was really important to me. The value I chose was responsible, or responsibility. I chose this value because it is one that we value at our school, but it also really reminds me of superheroes. I think about Spider-Man and that saying that goes along with Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility. So I'm going to create an illustration that shows people what it means to be responsible in an art class. So to illustrate this, I'm drawing myself as a superhero, kind of based off the same design of Spider-Man. And what I'm doing is I'm thinking about how it's responsible to use your time wisely. And so my illustration is all about using your time wisely, and I'm creatively doing that by kind of making a comic book cover or superhero poster. So my challenge for you is to create an illustration of a value that you care about deeply. I want you to try and draw it in a way that expresses who you are as an artist. So for me, I thought a little bit outside of the box, making a comic book superhero type illustration. But yours could be pretty much straightforward. If you really care about saying kind words and actions, maybe you just illustrate yourself around your friends talking nicely to each other or playing nicely. However, if you want to be a little creative, you can. For example, if something you care about is safety and keeping areas clean, maybe you draw yourself as a superhero who's keeping the planet clean, sort of like a Captain Planet type drawing. The choice is yours because you're the artist in this drawing, but my challenge, again, is to illustrate a value that you deeply care about. Keep watching to see how I complete my art challenge by showing or illustrating responsibility. As I finish up my drawing, I just want to remind you that a value is something that you care deeply about. I hope you care deeply about the artwork you've created today. I know I feel proud of what I've made, and I hope that you feel proud too. One value that I share with many others is that hard work pays off. Work hard on your artwork and people will notice. I hope you enjoy your work. I know I enjoy mine. Good luck, artist.